The Human Rights Act is for the chop. In its place will come a British Bill of Rights. The new government plans to scrap it in 100 days. But what does that mean? The Act enshrines in law everything from the right to a fair trial to the right to privacy. It takes all the articles from the European Convention of Human Rights and puts them into the British system. The Act was supposedly used by foreign criminals and alleged terrorists who wanted to stay in Britain. The right wing of the Conservative Party thought it gave people like this far too much protection. But do we know what a British Bill of Rights would actually look like? Not really, although it has been Conservative policy for the past 5 years. Their manifesto says the right to a fair trial and the right to life will still qualify. But other than that, it's unclear. The only specific promise is that a new Bill of Rights would stop terrorists and other serious foreign criminals from using spurious human rights arguments to prevent deportation. The Tories are aiming to give our Supreme Court the final say on human rights matters in the UK, but lawyers say that this is impossible to do without us leaving the European Convention altogether. The only other European country not signed up is Belarus. Even Russia is still a member. And while we're still signed up, anyone can appeal to the European Court for Human Rights and cannot be deported while that's going on. Even if England does make a deal, we still have Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland to worry about. The laws that gave Edinburgh and Cardiff more powers assume that Britain is in the Human Rights Convention. So does the Good Friday Agreement in Northern Ireland. So the other home nations would either have to agree or have all these laws changed as well. David Cameron has put Michael Gove in charge of making this happen. He's got a very tough balance to strike.